This kettle is designed with a gooseneck spout for precision control during pouring. The long and slender opening can greatly control the water flow to give a steady and predictable pour so that you can perfectly extract to enjoy a good cup of coffee, tea, or milk. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Stainless steel inner lid. The whole interior body, including the inner lid, is made of food-grade stainless steel without plastic touching the boiling water, even the steam. Number 2. User-friendly design. An ergonomic handle is shaped for grip comfortably and angled right to avoid scalding. Number 3. Safe tech. One-touch switch operation and function of auto shut-off and dry boil protection is to save time and stay safe. Number 4. Food-grade stainless steel. The interior of the kettle is made of food-grade stainless steel without any plastic to bring you healthier drinking and higher life quality. There will be no plastic or metal taste in your water or coffee. Number 5. Humanization Design. One-touch switch is easy to operate the kettle, and the ergonomic design allows the kettle to be easily lifted off for pouring after the water boils. The cool touch and grip design of the handle can ergonomically give you a real and comfortable grip on your kettle. Number 6. Maximum safety. Different from the traditional stove kettle, this kettle can automatically shut off and prevent dry boiling for safety. The 1000-watt power electric kettle can raise the speed of reaching to boil to avoid wasting time, and the indicator light will make you confirm the state of the kettle. Number 7. Sincere service. Stariver is always committed to providing the best shopping experience and the best services for you. If you have any problems with our kettle, please get in touch with us so that we can solve your issue in time to improve your satisfaction. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the capacity? Answer. This kettle is 1.2 liter. Question number 2. How much time will it cost to get to boil? Answer. It takes about 3 minutes to get to boil with adding water to the max line. Question number 3. Is this one cordless? Answer. Yes, this kettle is cordless. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.